impeachment complaints no, na inihain po laban kay VP Sara. Dalawa na po yun. And supposed to be merong pangatlong impeachment complaint that hinihintay pa daw na ni Secretary General Velasco na di umano manggagaling po naman sa isang religious group. Ito po ba ay naaayon sa inyo mga ng rules ng 19th Congress? Dahil lang sinasabi din kasi kapag pagtanggap po ng verified complaint ng Office of the Secretary General, he shall immediately refer it to the Office of the House Speaker. Can he actually hold on to the impeachment complaints and wait for the third?
Well, of course, hindi ko naman pwedeng pangunahan ng ating Secretary General. Although the rules are not too clear on how immediate is immediate, no? I think for purposes of facility and the purposes of coordination, sa opinion ko po, reasonable naman. Hindi naman ganun pa katagal para masabi nating may delay talaga, no? I think it's reasonable enough na kung meron mang parating pa na isang impeachment complaint ay pwedeng sabay-sabay na para dun sa action din naman ng plenary at ng komite ay coordinated na rin. Mahirap kasi pag nasimulan na doon sa bandang parte ng plenaryo at ng komite, meron pang inaantay at meron pang papasok in the middle of all the proceedings. And that would warrant siguro better coordination, especially with all these discussions. At sa ngayon pa naman, meron pa naman ding inaayos ang plenaryo at ang mga komite, lalong-lalo na yung Quintacom, no, yung patuloy na investigasyon tungkol sa murang pagkain. So sakto lang din naman, we trust the wisdom of the Secretary General for as long as hindi naman nababiolate ang rules ng House.
Okay. So ayan, let's go now to
Pwede ba may impeachment lang ako before we go to the confidential funds? Ito naman pong tanungin ko kayo kung Jude, kung meron bang kasi of course we have the two verified complaints filed by citizen and endorsed by, yung una endorsed by Congressman Sendanya, no? Percy Sendanya, at yung pangalawa ng Makabayan Bloc. Etong yung isang mode kung saan nangangalap po ng 1/3 nitong mga House of Representatives na ito yung expedited mode na para hindi nadadaan sa Committee on Justice. Meron po bang namumuong ganong mga aksyon? May mga hakbang pa po ba na mangalap na gano'n na at gamitin po yung parang shortcut na mode po?
Sa totoo lang ho, sa ngayon wala akong naririnig na ganong mga inisyatibo, no? Although alam ko lang yung iba nating mga kasamaan sa Kongreso ay inaaral, tinitignan nila yung mga naka-submit na mga impeachment complaint, inaaral. So it's too early to say if there's going to be a movement towards that expedited process.
Oo. Sige, sundatan ko na lang rin before we move to the confidential. In the party last week, yung fellowship po. So, was there an undertone, di ba? Parang before that kasi there was a tweet, there was a text message that circulated na sinasabi po ni PBBM, not anymore to waste the time. So, is Congress, sa mga kaalyado nyo po, na kilala nyo po, may movement ba o talagang na lang po, wag na natin itong pag-aksaya ng panahon? Ika nga in the words of the President, VP Sara is unimportant.
Well, based dun sa nangyari nung Christmas Fellowship, no, to be honest, alam kong maraming nakangating tanungin ano talagang pinag-usapan. It was basically really a Christmas Fellowship. The House kasi had to forgo our Christmas party for this year, given the circumstances ngayon sa yung mga sunod-sunod na mga bagyo. And there was a common agreement na will tone down the celebration. At we had a long-standing na kung pansin ninyo, ang Senate, madalas na imbitahan sa Malacanang. Kami medyo first time na imbitahan as a group, no? Although we are in Malacanang every now and then for the signing of the bills. Ngayon lang ho nagkaroon ng pagkakataon. Siguro sa dami din namin na naimbitahan pumunta doon, yung buong Kamara, hindi ho lahat ng pagkakataon ay nakakapunta doon. We haven't had discussions or there were no indications on the part of the President, no, to influence the decision of the House. In fact, as far as I can remember, there were no political discussions for the matter, except for the expression of support in the president, and for which the president was very thankful for and very grateful.
Okay.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.